Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial. I'm here with Tyler.
Hey guys.
And what are we drawing today, Tyler?
That Nintendo Switch.
Yes, the Nintendo Switch. This one's going to be really fun, right? You excited?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so grab yourself a sheet of paper, some Sharpie markers.
And don't forget the markers.
Yeah, the colored markers, exactly. If you like this video, don't forget, hit that like button. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a rectangle like this. So, and leave some space on the sides for your controller handle pieces. Okay, so yeah, let's draw a line like this. And then we'll do two lines down on the sides.
Gotta wait for me.
I'll wait for you. That's right. And then we'll connect these at the bottom. So then we'll have our rectangle. So this will be the display section, right? So let me move these markers out of the way for you. Okay. And Tyler's using a ruler because he wants his to be nice and perfectly crisp, right? A perfect rectangle. That's okay. All right. Now the next thing we'll do is we will extend the top and bottom lines. So we will extend these just a little bit more, like that. So you can go a little bit more because we're going to have like the round controllers.
Yeah?
Yeah, so I would go probably to like right about here. Okay, so we'll do the bottom as well. Okay, so do the top and bottom. Okay, now the corners are going to be rounded. So part of like so watch me, Tyler. So we're going to do like a curve like this. And then you'll come down, and then you'll connect the bottom like that. Yep. Okay. Now let's do the same on the other side. So we'll draw a line over like that. And we'll try to have the same thickness as you have on your other side. And then I'll do my curve. We'll come straight down and stop just before we get to the bottom, and then we'll curve this up. Okay, excellent. Okay,
For my first time.
Yeah, exactly. This is Tyler's first video, everybody. You excited? You're doing excellent. All right, now before we do the controller sides, let's do the display area. So let's draw a smaller rectangle inside of the larger rectangle. So we'll try to do the same thickness spacing all the way across. Just like that. There you go. Yep. And you can probably use your ruler for the top. Yep. And it's okay if you leave a gap because this area is going to be black anyway, so that's okay. Excellent. Okay, the next step, let's draw some of the buttons for the controller. So on the left side, we'll start with a circle up here at the top. So we'll do a round circle like that. And then down below has...
Perfect circle.
That's really good circle. Down below, so if you go where your center is, watch this, Tyler. Where your center is, right about here, let's do a small circle. That's right, and just if you keep going down, just under that, we're going to do another small circle. And then we'll do two on either side of it, like that. Excellent. Now, let's go over to the right side, and now this larger button
We do the same thing.
No, not the same exactly. It's going to be similar, but the larger button's going to be down lower, almost like in the middle, just below the middle of our controller, like that, because underneath this one is just to the left of it is a smaller circle like that. Yep. Okay, and then up here you're going to have four, same like these, you're going to do up here. So we'll start like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now I see you have a thinner black Sharpie, so if you want to get that thinner one for a second, And what you can do is inside of this larger button, you can do a smaller ring, smaller circle inside of that and inside of your other one, like that. Okay, all right, now grab that Sharpie again, the thicker one. Now what we'll do is we're gonna have a button on the left side right here. So just where your frame is here on this left side, it's a little tiny shape like that. Comes up, yeah, keep going. That's it. All right, and I go down. And then we're gonna have buttons.
It's like to put like the game in it.
I think so, yeah, that's where you plug the cable in if you want to connect. So like over here where this corner is, we're gonna start about here. Okay, and we're gonna go to about here, like that, yeah, and right about here. Draw a little line there. Yep, and then see this shape right here? What we're gonna do is we're just gonna follow that all the way around till we get to the other one.
Too thick.
That's okay, don't worry. Yep, now let's do the same on this side. So see how far over we are here? We'll do the same here. And then we'll match where this one is on that side. And then we will follow that curve just like that. That's great. Excellent.
Same on the bottom, right?
No, the bottom doesn't have anything on this controller. Okay, now you want to draw a happy face in the center of our display? All right, so you can put it right in the center, you can put it off to the side, but we'll do a simple one, right? Yeah, you can do whatever happy face you want. So I'm just gonna do two eyes like this. And then I'm gonna have little, like a big highlight and then a small one. So I'm gonna make two circles like this. I'm gonna make, watch this, I'm gonna make one circle big and then a small one next to it. And I'm gonna color in with black the rest of it. Like this, son. So do a circle like this and then color in around it. Don't color in the center of the circle, color the outside edge. Yep. And then on the other one, you can do the same thing if you want. And then I'm gonna do a happy face. He's kind of smirking.
So one eye will be different for me.
That's all right. And then I'm gonna do a tongue. That's
I'm gonna get my colors out.
Like sticking his tongue out at us. Okay, so now we're gonna start adding some colors. All right, so we'll start with our tongue. And be careful not to go over top of the black because sometimes you'll pull the black and it'll bleed in. All right, guys, we just finished coloring in our Nintendo Switch. How do you like yours?
Kinda.
Well, this is your first video tutorial, so I think that looks really good. What about you guys? You guys think that looks good? Comment down below if you like Tyler's and want to tell him his looks good, all right? So like the video, press that like button, and we'll see you guys next time.
And don't forget to subscribe.
That's it. Bye.